My god. Hello everybody, this is Scarecrow here. Today I'm going to be telling you guys about these new FNAF 3 trailer, the new FNAF 3 images. The trailer is out on Scott Cawthon's channel and his Steam Greenlight page, blah blah blah, his channel, everything. But yeah, I have two theories for you. The first one's kind of pretty awesome of my theory. The second one's kind of stupid, but it could be real, who knows. One, I don't trust Scott right now with my theories though, because he always finds a way to change it. But this one I feel very great about. So, okay, first, we see the pictures. Is on the Steam Greenlight, it is 30 years after. So we're like, oh yeah, because if you guys remember the old image, it said 30 years later. And this is 30 years later. This is like 30 years later than the first one, which was the first one. So, the first one and second one were not a prequel, just so you guys know. Second one went out of business, yeah, that sucked. First, and then now they're back at the first location. I don't even think this is the first location. They said this is a fright horror area, but I don't know. First, let's get into the new animatronic. Everyone was like, "Oh, these are mashed up animatronics. This is the phone guy. This is the newer animatronics." No, newer animatronics were scrapped. As you guys saw in one of my images, it shows the box in the background. Old animatronics are scrapped. They're out of here. They're not combined. New animatronics still lurk, but you still see them in areas. You guys remember in Five Nights at Freddy's 1, those extra suits that were in the back, right? Exactly. Those are the multiple suits where you see Fox's head hanging around, Bonnie and them, but what's this new animatronic? Because, I see everything in that box, but Balloon Boy. You know what I think that's happening? People were talking about how this could be the phone guy because his guts were hanging out. Because you see actual guts inside. Because, I don't know, this is totally weird, but people were like, oh, attraction. Me, I was like, this kind of doesn't make sense, because why is it killing you? There's more to it than we know. Me, in total, I'm like, oh my god, I have a theory. I know what this could be. I'm so excited to say. But, yes, the theory, I'm going to say it. 1, it is the killer. I said that before. It could be the killer. And then now, I was having a chat with one of our members, Jason Fawn. I still think it's the killer. Think about it. Golden suit. Mashed up things together. I think, those little extra suits in the back? I think it's that. I think he combined his own little suit. Now he wants you. Okay, but I'm going to get more into that for another video. But that's one of the theories. The second theory is, it's kind of stupid. There's organs hanging out. There's like, you can see organs a little, so that doesn't make sense for it to be a human in there. Second one is it could be all the dead security guards who were stuffed inside the spare suits, blah, blah, blah. Now they want you. They took over. Or it could be all the kids possessing. I don't know. The kids are still in their own bodies, but what could this be? I don't know. It's totally weird, but I'm just showing you guys images. These are images. I haven't made theories yet, but those are my little plans for theories. I'm gonna get theories up really soon. I'm actually gonna upload 3 videos today. 3. So get prepared, guys. And yeah, this is awesome. I cannot believe he uploaded this stuff. And then I'm gonna get more into the next theory in the next video. Not really gonna say much about these images, but yeah, these images are awesome. But next video I'm gonna start saying more about other things. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.